Welcome to Mama Tree's prenatal yoga practices. My name is Jane Austin. I'm the founder and director of Mama Tree. I am trained as a midwife, a doula, a childbirth educator. Been working with pregnant mamas and their families for over 20 years. I'm a mama myself. I have 2 kids. I practiced yoga through both pregnancies. So I bring the professional experience, but I also bring my very, very, very personal experience of yoga and its transformative powers at this incredible time for women in their lives. I've designed this practice specifically to target areas that need a little bit of opening and to build a little bit of strength. So as you move through your pregnancy, you have the balance of the effort that's required to build the strength in the body and the softening that's required when you open and create a little bit more space, not only for you, but for your baby. Enjoy the practice.